Hello guys, so welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to insert an image or a picture into your Word document. So I have this Word document about dogs and cats on the screen here. So I'm going to insert an image of a dog and a cat here, the space I've created here. So to do that, let's go to the insert tab here. So you click on insert and then you see pictures here. So click on the pictures and choose this device, and I'll navigate, locate the folder where I have the image. I have the image at pictures here and then screenshots. So you have to locate the folder where you have the image. So I have it here, screenshot. I'll open the screenshot, and then this is the image of my dog and cat. So to insert it, I'll click on it and then click here. Once you locate the picture and click on it, click on insert to insert it to your document. So now I have it inserted but at a wrong location, so I have to move it to where I want it to be. So to do that, you have to click here, click on this here, and then click through. So once you click on that, click and hold on the image and then move it to where you want it to be. So I want it to be here. So, and then I need to adjust the size. It's too big for me. So to adjust the size, all you have to click and hold on the edges here, as I'm doing here. Click and hold on the edges and then move inside. As you move it inside, the size is adjusting as you move. So now I want to expand it a little, not it being larger, but expand it, the width. To expand the width, you have to click and hold on the width here and then drag and open a little. So once you do that, you have your image inserted and then at the right place where you want it to be. So this is how you insert an image into your Word document. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and also like the channel for more video tutorials like this.